75তম প্রজাতন্ত্র দিবসে মাননীয় সাংসদ অপরূপা পোদ্দার মহাশয়া, এসডিও সুভাষিনী এসডিপিও সাহেব, আইসি সাহেব এবং মঞ্চের সকল আধিকারিককে আমাদের বিনম্র শ্রদ্ধা। আরামবাগ হাই স্কুলের আমাদের প্রথম নিবেদন, ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম বিভাগের ছাত্র, ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণীর ছাত্র অদৃশ পালের ভারত বন্দনার মধ্য দিয়ে শুরু করব ও আমার দেশের মাটি।
Honorable MP ma'am, SDO ma'am, SDPO sir, respected all teachers, guests and other invitees. Good morning to all. I am Adrish Pal, class 6 from Arambagh High School, English medium section. Today we are assembled here to observe the 75th Republic Day of our country. Republic Day is a time to reflect on the values of justice, liberty, equality, fraternity that guide our nation. We all should know the relevance of watching 26 January as Republic Day. We honor this historic date when the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950. Replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India. We all know that India achieved independence on 15th August in 1947. Our country became free from the British rule by the continuous struggle and brave fights by the freedom fighters of our country like Bhagat Singh, Netaji, Gandhiji, Binay Badal Dinesh, Matangini Hajra and many others. They sacrificed their lives to make our country free. After becoming independent, a set of rules were required to govern the citizens of India. So, a committee was formed drafting the Constitution of India. The drafting committee was headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution. However, it was on November 26, 1949 when the Constitution of India was first adopted. But the integration of this whole nation and unifying a wide variety of cultural diversities was not done until January 26 in 1950. That is when the Indian Constitution came into effect. The Constitution of India is a huge document that lays down procedures, powers, fundamental rights and duties as well as directive principles of the government of India and Indian citizens. The governing principle of the Constitution of India is of the people, for the people and by the people, which signifies that the power is vested in the hands of the citizens of India. The theme of the 75th Republic Day of our country is Vikasita Bharat and Bharat Lokatantra Ki Matrika, emphasizing India's role as a nurturer of democracy. Lastly, thank you to all for listening me and our head of the institution for having me at this stage today. Jai Hind.